Because I'd rather play Mortal Kombat anyway. Hey, I'm all about my Johnny Cage. If you're not bringing tacos, I suggest you start to walk away. Bitch, don't kill my vibe. I can tell you kinda gotten comfortable. So let me break it down for you. Don't call me, don't text me after 2 a.m. Unless you plan on giving me some.
Because I got enough friends.